The Jordan Trunner LX Light Iron or Enigma Stone, Hemp and Oatmeal brings a calm, elevated vibe with its mix of soft beige and gray tones. The upper blends woven style mesh, quilted panels, suede, and smooth leather-like textures, giving the shoe layered and premium feel. A practical midfoot Velcro strap with a round Jumpman logo adds both function and style, while the padded ankle and heel pull tab boost comfort for everyday wear. The thick sole features carved traction lines, and the outsole comes with speckled, pebble-like colors that give the sneaker its own quiet personality. What makes this pair stand out is its depth, matte fabrics, smooth overlays, visible stitching, and layered panels that shift in appearance as you move. Designed with Jordan's training DNA but styled for daily outfits, the Trunner LX is perfect for anyone who wants subtle tones, rich textures, and a street-ready look that matches almost anything.